Namaste. We all need to have some of the essential items for the family health care. In every family, these are must if you are really taking care of your health. And these are very simple home remedies which everyone can use, which can save your life with a small little initiative. We can avoid the serious cases, serious health issues. You can avoid hospitalization. You can avoid ICUs. Very simple things. Just to make it happen. Very cost-effective model. We built a immunity kit which consists of the herbal tea powder, which is made up of giloy, tulsi, neem, lemongrass, turmeric, dry ginger, black pepper, cinnamon, clove, such kind of herbs. We made it as the wonderful powder which has cured many people already. It's proven. So you can make use of it. Apart from that, the king of Ayurveda, Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha powder is a great immunity booster. It will help you to get rid of your anxiety, depression, and it will get rid of insomnia problems and boost your immunity. It's also anti-cancerous. Everyone can use it. So these two things are very, very essential. Apart from that, nostril cleaning. Every day you must do the nostril cleaning. So in the immunity kit, we have also included the nostril cleaning. Jalaneti lota. Jalaneti pot. Every house you must have. The children, adults, everyone can practice very easily every day. It will prevent so many diseases. So if everyone using Jalaneti in everyday life, you can avoid hospitals. So 50% hospitals can be closed just by using this simple tool. And we have eye cleaning cup as well. So for cleaning, these two items have given. You can use it regularly, daily in the morning as part of your cleaning process. And other immunity boosters, what we have given in the kit. Satavari, mainly this also a powder, a roots powder, which is basically the anti-inflammatory and boost your immune system. And all these kashayams you need to take with empty stomach. So the Satavari also helps you to relieve from cough and treat the diarrhea. So in these, some of the people in the COVID situation also, many people are facing the diarrhea. So that can be cured by the Satavari powder. It's also like a herbal tea. Yeah. Next, Estimadu. Estimadu is another important medicine. Very simple. 1 spoon you can take with empty stomach in a hot water. This is basically, if you take it twice a day, the coughing, inflammation and irritation of throat, all this can be cured. Triphala Churna is also very powerful and important medicine. Every house may need to have this one to address the common problems, like for example constipation problem, etc. So this will help you to clean the bowels well, keep your digestive system well. And a great antioxidant. It's also uh, detoxify the body and supports the immune system. C, highest C vitamin in Usirika, Amla, the Indian gooseberry. So you may not get every season, but we may that a dried Usirika, dried Amla, without any chemicals, without any salts. So simple dried ones. All you need to do is soak that into the water every day, 4 to 5 pieces overnight, and then morning you can have that with empty stomach. That gives you wonderful immune boost. As soon as we say immunity power, the mainly you need antioxidants, which are vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin A, and zinc. So for that zinc and other essentials, we also given the wonderful green leaves powder that you can use as part of your food, along with your food, which is basically moringa, sesbania grandiflora, curry leaves. So these kind of powders, leaves powder, dry leaves powder we made. It's a pack of nutrition. This organically we have grown in our ashram. These powders are natural ingredients basically, without any chemicals. So this improves your nutrients in your body and immunity. And then antioxidants, iron, zinc, vitamins, hemoglobin, calcium, all this is can be improved by this one. Next, Amrutadhara. This is also called as a pocket doctor for common problems like cold, cough, fever, headache, diarrhea, indigestion, gas, stomach ache, vomitings, insect bites, body pains. For all this, you can use this. So there are two ways of using. One way is drinking just 2 drops of Amrutadhara, putting in a cup of water, hot water, and drink. That cures your cold, cough, relieves immediately, and even a headache, stomach ache. And then whenever there's a joint pain, just put 2 drops at the joint, just rub it, just a little massage will help you to relieve from the pains, so that you can avoid all the painkillers, unnecessary medication. And there is a homeopathy important remedy also given for immunity, arsenic alba 30. You can take 3 days continuously, 5 pills a day. For whole family it is given, this family kit. Everyone can use it, and by making use of it, avoid complications of your health. Follow these simple tips. If you have any doubts, need any clarifications or help, please feel free to contact Manavata helpline 99 666 73 111.